Welcome to Sheboygan Chevrolet Chrysler Center, home of the lifetime powertrain warranty. Today's special is a 2018 Chrysler Pacifica Touring L, stock number E2232P. 40,000 miles on this Pacifica, comes to us with a clean auto check history report, bright white in color. You do receive the exclusive Sheboygan Chevy Chrysler lifetime powertrain warranty. Power sliding doors on both sides of the van, seat 7, leather interior. Bucket seats in the middle row. Stow-and-go seating allows the second and third row to fold flat into the floor. Windows do go down in the sliding doors, along with power venting rear quarter windows. Sunshades in all the rear windows. Backup camera, along with rear parking sensors, helping to give it a 5-star front and side government crash rating. Power liftgate for convenience. Deep storage wall behind the third row, lots of space for cargo or for those seats to fold back into. Hooks in the back side, perfect for plastic grocery bags. Folding those seats is very easy. You can of course fold them in any combination, giving you a lot of flexibility for cargo and passengers. And very clean, no dents or dings in the body. Sliding doors operate off the key fob or a simple pull of the handle. High back bucket seats in the middle row. Recline, have hooks in the seats for latch system to keep child seats completely secure. This Touring L has keyless entry with remote start, power windows, locks, mirrors, power driver's seat, along with the tilt and telescopic steering wheel to put you in that perfect driving position. Large, easy to read gauges. Cruise control, steering wheel mounted audio controls. Large touchscreen infotainment system for radio. It's also satellite radio capable. You can connect various media devices. 3-zone automatic temperature control, driver, passenger, and rear heat and air. Along with heated front seats. Bluetooth connectivity for hands-free phone use or to connect other Bluetooth-enabled devices. Great for wireless music streaming. And that is, of course, where the backup camera display is. 9-speed automatic transmission with a rotary dial shifter. Hard keys for the things you use most often. USB and auxiliary input allows you to connect those mobile media devices. Lots of storage space in the center console. And a large glove box with all the owner's materials inside. Overhead, liftgate and sliding door controls, and HomeLink transmitter for garage door opener. Under the hood, this Pacifica has a 3.6-liter V6, 287 horsepower. And just as clean under the hood as the rest of the van. Excellent fuel economy. EPA average of 19 miles to the gallon in the city, average of 28 on the highway, and ready to go with new tires. For more information on this Pacifica, please go to SheboyganAuto.com.
Choose Sheboygan Auto. We're conveniently located at 3400 South Business Drive or at 2701 Washington Avenue in Sheboygan, Wisconsin. SheboyganAutos.com.